Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make your first guessing game with Python. So, let's get started. First of all, we're going to import random. So, I haven't explained random at all, so I'm going to start off with explaining random. So, how you do it random is you do import random, as you would probably guess. And so this is just a random, so I'm saying random a lot. You'd guess it's a random module type thing. So how you would do a random thing is you make a variable equal to random.randint. And then you'd select a number. So we'll go like 1 to 4. And then you close that. And then you'd call and you print R. And there we go, we have that. I probably just have to save this, yep. And we'll call this project 1. Okay, so now when we run this, it's going to do 1. And if we run it again, it's going to do 4. And if we run it again, it's going to do 1. If we run it again, it's going to do 4. Okay, I see a pattern. Okay, there we go, 3. So it's completely a random thing. So that's why we're going to do random. So just get rid of this because we're not going to use that. Also, we're going to import time. And another one, I'm going to import SYS, okay? SYS. And what this does, it's a whole different library. I'm not going to go into it because it's a very complicated library. But I just use it for one called system.exit, like that. And when you run this, it just closes out of the program and exits the program. So it's like a break, kind of, but it exits out of the program. So then we're gonna do a define. We're gonna define a function, and we're gonna call this one game. And we're gonna make a variable, and we call that guesses taken, because at the end of the game, we want to show them how many guesses it took them, or we want to have it so they can only guess a certain amount of times until they lose. So we're just going to make that equal to 0. And then down here we're going to do print hello, what is your name? And so, oops, put caps lock on, and then we finish that up, and then we're going to do my name equals input. And then, so this input is something nice. I have never went over that as either, but it's the input on what the player would do. So we'll do the number now. We'll make number, and we'll do this random, and then randint. And we'll make this, you can make this whatever, but I'm going to do 1 to 50, just to give you a nice range and to make it harder. And then we're going to do print, and we're going to do well, and then comma, and then we're going to end it here. And if you remember, I talked about combining two things. So we're going to combine my name, and we're going to add that with, so my name is this, and that's their input. So it's going to be, hello, what is your name? And you're going to type in their name. And so it's going to be, hello, well, and then their name. So say if you said Bob, it'd be, well, Bob. And then this is a guessing game. I'm pretty sure that's obvious, but if we're just doing this for people who wouldn't know that. And we're going to do time.sleep to 1, I guess. And that will completely stop, not capital P. That will completely stop the program for 1 second. So we can try to run this. It's probably not going to do much, but it's not going to do anything actually, because if you remember my define game, we actually have to call my game, so we can run this, and then we can call game, and hello, what is your name? And you type in Kai. Well, Kai, this is a guessing game. So it works, but you can just see that doesn't, okay, we need to put a space right there. So then if we run this again, and we call on game, and hello, what is your name? And you can do like Kai or whatever. Hi, well, Kai, this is a guessing game. Then it waited for 1 second. Then there's nothing else, so it just quit. And we're gonna do a print. I am thinking of a number between 1 and 50 for me, but you would do whatever you had. And you need to try and guess it. And so once we have that, we're gonna do another not a time.sleep, because now we're going into a while loop. So we're gonna do while guesses taken. So that's the variable we made before. I did a couple spaces there. Taken is less than 7. So while it's less than 7, because that's the number we'll give them to guess how many tries we have, we'll do print, and we'll do take a guess, exclamation mark, and we will and actually we'll just do a exclamation mark. So then we're gonna do guess equals input, like what we did up there. So we're making the variable equal to, as we did my name, but we're going to do guess equals input, and we're gonna make guess an integer. Guess equals int. That is because we gotta change it into integer, because we don't want to do a string, because then we'll have a bunch of more code to add on to that. So it's just easy, and it's actually a number. We're not trying to guess strings, we're trying to guess a number. So it's going to take whatever you guess into a number, and if that makes sense. And then we're going to do guesses taken, as you may have guessed, equals, so we can do guesses taken plus 1. I think that's how I had it before. We can check just by copying and pasting it. Yeah, it looks like that's what we had. Or to take a plus code, we could do plus equals 1, like that. Not as much code, but we'll just do it the other way, so it's easy to read. We'll just do this. Guesses taken plus 1. Okay, so now what we're going to do, if guess is less than number, we're gonna print print your guess is too low. So they know that they've guessed too low, and then you guess higher. And then if guess is greater than number, print your guess is too high. And we'll put an exclamation mark at the end of these. So one more here, and then we're gonna do if guess equals, because remember we use an equals other than an equals, because you use an equals to assign something to a variable and number. Then we break the while loop, and then we'll go into the next part. But I just want to explain this. So it's going to do if guess is greater than number. So say if your number was 30 and you guessed 25, then I would say it's too low. And if you guessed 45, it would say too high. But if it was the guess, it would break the number, and then we can go into this next part. So if guess equals number, so it's going to break out of this while loop and then go into this if, if guess equals number, then guesses taken equals an str guesses taken. Yeah, I believe that's how you do it. Okay, String, guesses taken. Yep. Okay, so this is gonna make it a string because what we're gonna do is we're gonna print it out to see, because right now it's an integer and we want a string, so we can tell them how many guesses it took them. So we're gonna do print good job, and then we're gonna do comma, and then we're gonna do I need to make sure it's the same, and then we're gonna do my name plus oh wait, we should actually not have this. We should make this an exclamation mark. Great job, my name. Let's see. Actually, no. Let's leave this the same. I don't know why I did that. We need a comma. Wait. I'm kind of confused. Oh, okay. Yes. I know why I was gonna do it now. I kind of got confused there. And then we'll put the space and then the exclamation mark because it's gonna be great, good job, and then comma. Say your name was Kai, and then exclamation mark. You guessed my number in, and then we'll do this again, and then we'll do guesses taken. Guesses taken, and that is why we converted it into a string. And then we will start this again, and we'll do guesses, and that. So now we're gonna do time.sleep1, just so they can read all that, because that's a decent amount of reading to do. And then we're gonna do question equals input, and then we're gonna do would you like to play again, and question mark. And so then we're going to do if question dot lower. Okay, I haven't talked about dot lower yet. So what dot lower does is if you have a question and you prompt them to ask it, and say if it's not right, say if they use a capital letter where they shouldn't, and it will kick them out of the program and they wouldn't be able to do anything. So this is just kind of like a double check. It's not fix it properly, but it fixes a lot of mistakes. So what this does is dot lower is it makes every single thing in the program, in the word that they type out, lower. So if you had like hi with a capital H, it would turn the capital H into a lowercase h. And then we're going to do dot strip, and this takes, say if you hit a space on accident in the beginning of anything, it takes all the space out. So if you did like H and then capital H and then space and then an I, it would change it into the lower would change the H into a lowercase h, and it would take away the space in the between the middle. So it nothing goofy would happen on accident if you accidentally typed something. And we're going to do yes. If question.lower.strip equals yes, we're going to do we're going to run the game. So what this does is it's just going to go from here, and we're going to run the game again. And so you have to call on it and it will redo it. And then if we do else, we'll do print okay, goodbye, and there we go. And then we do our system.exit that I was telling you about at the front, which is why we imported SYS, which I think stands for system. I'm not 100% sure though. And then what we're going to do is we are going to do the next part, where if they don't guess the number. So we're going to do if guess does not equal. So the exclamation mark and the equal sign means does not equal. So does not equal number. Then we are going to number equals a string and then number, because we want to print it out to them. Number equals string number, and then print nope the number I was thinking was, and then we're gonna end this and we're gonna do plus number, and there we go. And we just do anything like that. And then we do question equals input, and we're gonna do the same thing. Would you like to play again? And actually, what we can do, some people say it's not a good idea to copy and paste. It's not a good idea to copy and paste code, but it's actually a very good idea. So I'm just gonna copy all of this because it's the same exact thing. It saves you so much time. So question equals input, would you like to play again, and everything. And then we have one last thing to do just to finish this up. And at the end of all this, we're gonna do game. So it will call on the function, and the function will run. And so if we run this, we'll save it. And it says, hello, what is your name? I'm going to put in Bob. Well, Bob, this is a guessing game. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 50, and you need to try to guess it. Take a guess. I'm going to try 25. Your guess is too high, so I'm going to try 15. Still too high. I'm going to try 7. 3. And I'm going to try 1, so it's 2. Good job, Bob. You guessed my number. Okay, there's that little space there, so we can fix that. Good job, Bob. You guessed my number in 6 guesses. Would you like to play again? And we'll do yes. Hello, what is your name? We'll do Bob again. And this is a guessing game. Take a guess. 25. Your guess is too high. So we'll do 15. There. You guessed my number in 2 guesses. Lucky me. Would you like to play again? Yes, Bob. And it will just continue and continue. And we'll try the other one. Okay, too low now. So we're going to do 45. We're going to do 35. And we're going to do 40, and we're going to, okay. So we're going to do 37. Oh, okay, there we go. We did a letter, so it failed there. So let's just fix this real quick. Get rid of that, and let's do this. Bob, we're going to try 25, too high. So 15, too high. We're going to do 5, too low, so we're going to do 10. Too high. 7. Yay. Okay, we guessed my number and 5 guesses. And would you like to play again? We'll do no. And okay, goodbye. And it broke the code. So what else we're gonna do is we're gonna do take a guess, and we're gonna put a space there. And I think that's pretty much it for this program. Would you like to play again? We'll put a space there because it looks a little nicer, so it's not all your thing that you have and all theirs. So if it prints it out and then you type in what you want, it looks all smashed together as you had seen before. But yeah, it looks pretty good, and it seems to be working fine. If you do have any problems with this, let me know in the comments below, and I will I'll help you as much as I possibly can. And yeah, if you did like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm not sure if I already said that. And we'll see you in the next video.